Hi everyone, I'm going to give you multiple tutorials explaining this trade ERP software, how you can effectively utilize this for your businesses. This is made for small and medium businesses, for trading and service oriented companies. Once you download the software and install it, after the installation, if you run the software, this will start the company setup wizard. Okay, you are seeing this company's business profile definition. So you are going to fill your company details in the screen. So you can, it's very simple, you can just simply fill it. And there is business type you can select, because there are different screens available for different type of business inside. So I'll just select auto spare parts. You can select general. In future there will be different business types will be in this screen. I'll just select auto spare parts, and an official phone number of your business, and the email ID, and what is the location of your business. And just go to the next step. So this is very important step. You are going to select the taxation of your business. If you want to enroll yourself inside this GST billing, you can switch it on. Otherwise, if you are not eligible for GST and you don't want to print GST billing, then you can simply switch it off. Okay, I'll just switch it on because I'm going to uh, run the GST, and there is a financial year setup here. You can just give the finance year. In India, it is from April 1st to March 31st. So I just take April 1, and then the end of the financial year, I just take the next year and March 31st. Okay. So already taxation is switched on, and financial year I just configured. And the next thing is this TradERP is it's coming with Indian GST and for United Arab Emirates and Oman. So you can select whatever country you are running your business. According to that country's any GST or VAT taxation, it will completely function. I just take this India, and you have to select your home state. I just select this. Okay, based on that your IGST taxes will be calculated, and you need to give your GSTN number. It is mandatory because the taxation is on here. I just give a sample GSTN number, then go to the next step. So in the third step, you are going to give your opening balances of your company. Just give some 8,000 cash, and whatever your bank, I just give SBI, Ramnad, or whatever HDFC, Axis Bank, whatever the bank you are operating, account you are operating, and what is your bank balance. Then simply click finalize and apply. So this will launch the dashboard. Okay, your company setup is completed, and if you want to do any other configuration, you can do it so by click on the config button on the top right corner. You can just simply click it, and you can do some modification here. You can update your logo, and you can select your default bank. So this is a very important step, because once the default bank selected and the details given, your payment QR code for UPI will be drawn into the bills. Okay, I just select SBI Ramnad, branch, account number, IFSC code, account holder name, and your UPI ID. So then you can simply commit, the configuration will be saved. There are other configuration that we will see later. So in this dashboard you can see in the left side the main modules. There is masters, so you can configure the master screens, and inventory control. All your inventory related transactions will be listed here, and then finance and job or service and reports. So whatever required for running your business completely, it's all available in this. So if you go to the masters, you can create your products, and just go to the product screen. Here you can create your products. If you are running with a few number of products, you can directly key in the products details here. Otherwise you can use this import option, CSV bulk import, by selecting the CSV file. If you are running the business already in another computer or in a different software, you can import them in a given format. That format is available on top. You can see view file specification there. So this shows how you have to arrange your product details in CSV, and then you can import from here. So if you go back to the dashboard, so the entire system is designed like that. Once you go to the customers and supplier, then you can go back to the dashboard. Okay, so in the customer and suppliers, you can create your customers and you can create your suppliers, and all their details you can key in. So if you are running a taxation based business, then you need carefully select the company, their state of that company if it is in India, and also you can add your opening balances of the customer and supplier. If your business is already running, and you may have the outstanding of customers and suppliers, those outstandings can be brought in with bill wise. Okay, I'll explain this in creating one customer. Anand Assets, this is one customer. Okay, I'll give the address and their GST number if they have, their phone number, and whatever credit limits you are allowing them to. Okay, 50,000. And this opening balance is if Ananda Silks is already doing business with you, and you have outstandings with outstanding balances, then whatever amount, if it is some 25,000, they are supposed to pay you. You give 25,000, and then you just click map bills. Only when you type this opening balances, the map bills appear. Just click the map bills and give the bill number, whatever the previous bills which are outstanding. So I just give the bill number and then the bill date, when this was supplied or when that bill was made to them. Okay, I just select this 1st June. This amount is 15,000. Okay, add, and there is another bill, and this was done on 10th June. That is 10,000 amount. So total, I'll add it. So totally it is 2 bills, 25,000. Okay, confirm the location and then execute and save account. So now it is created, Ananda Sales, and it's 25,000. You can edit at any time. You can modify, but you cannot change the opening balances. It's a one-time job. Okay, I'll just go back to the dashboard. See, whatever you are entering here, so everything will be handled in the background. All the financial entries will be posted. You don't have to worry about much of accounting things. So if you go to Simply Finance and see your financial reports, so everything will be there. We can see your cash 8,000, and in SBI Rana 25,000. In Ananda Silks supposed to pay you 25,000. Altogether, it's in the owner's capital equity 58,000. So, in this financial reports, automatically all the details will be posted. You are just simply doing, just go enter and then click save.